Welcome to Lamination Depot. Today we're reviewing how to use TruBind's electric coil binding machine, the TB-SD600B. This heavy-duty machine features an electric punching system initiated by the simple push of a button or the press of a foot pedal. It also comes with a convenient manual reverse handle in the case of a jam. The TB-SD600B is specific to spiral binding coils up to 36 inches in length and all coil sizes up to 30 millimeters in diameter with a 4:1 pitch. It can punch up to 25 sheets of 20-pound paper at a time and can electrically bind a stack of documents up to a ½ inch thick. Today we're punching a stack of 8.5 by 11 size documents with front and back binding covers, then binding them with a 10mm coil binding spine. Let's begin. Step 1. Flip on the power switch located on the rear of the machine. Then set the depth margin control to the recommended setting for your coil diameter. Step 2. Insert a single test document into the machine and line it up against a sliding hole punch guide to hold your document as you line up where you want the holes to be punched. Be sure to disengage unused pins to avoid half-punch holes on the edge of your document. Then punch your document using the electric punch button or press the electric punch foot pedal. Step 3. Partially thread your coil into the first few holes of the document. Then flip on the electric coil inserter located on the front of the machine. Use a light dabbing motion to guide your coil to the other side. Continue to flip your document and dab the inserter until the coil is centered on your document. Step 4. Use the hand cutter crimping tool included with your TruBind machine. Keep the red eye of the tool on the top side and simply insert it into the end and squeeze. Don't forget to empty the built-in waste bin from time to time, and always remember to unplug the machine for safety when not in use. In the case of a jam, insert the manual reverse handle into the designated slot located on the right side of the machine. And remember, it's crucial to first turn off the machine and unplug the power before ever inserting the reverse handle. Now you're ready to start binding. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. Be sure to check out this machine and many other products at our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.